guys having a full-on conversation? I guess she's done. All of that, I get the camera, and now she's done?
She had a lot to say. Yeah. What are you going to say? We just saw I felt. I don't know. It made me mad too. Yeah, a little bit. I know. It was rough. Yeah.
What else, Annabelle?
Tell another story. I like that story. You don't say crazy things. Wow. Isn't that great? We were having a full-on conversation.
We were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've done it a couple times already, haven't we?
Yeah. Tell us what you think, Annabelle.
Yeah, don't hold anything back. Don't sugarcoat it for us. Oh. But you get valet parking. I don't know.
Oh, now we're getting fussy.
You're saying I'm hungry.
Now we're getting fussy.